Once upon a time, there was a man named Jockey. Jockey was traveling by train. He got off at the Greenfield station. Then, he went to a town called Wild Greenfield. Everyone in the town seemed happy. So Jockey decided to go to the saloon to join in the celebration. But as Jockey entered the saloon, he saw a nervous man running towards him. The man told Jockey that there had been a bank robbery. Jockey felt very sad and angry. He wanted to find the robbers. Jockey told the man, "I want to find the robbers. But I cannot do it alone. I need a strong and wise partner." The man replied, "I know someone who can help. Come with me." They were to a shooting range. "We are the man," pointed to a blonde woman. He said, "This is Joni. She never misses a shot. You can trust her." Jockey was impressed and explained everything to Joni. Joni agreed to help Jockey. They prepared their horses and set of age the traveled. They show the robbers crossing a rope bridge. When the robbers saw Jockey and Joni, they cut the bridge. Jockey and Joni had to find another way. They took a longer road and spent the night playing instruments by the campfire. The next day they climbed the cliffs. Finally they found the robbers and their hideout in a mine. Jockey and Joni went inside the mine and followed the noise. They found the robbers preparing explosives. Jockey and Joni caught the robbers and handed them over to the police. Everyone in the town was so happy.